Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections, Flowers and Vegetables. Today I want to profile the 2019 All America Selections winner, the Chef's Choice Black. And I also want to talk to you about catfacing and cloches, how you can use them in a garden, and what exactly is catfacing. Why do you see it sometimes? But let's start with the tomato. This is the 6th winning tomato, bred by Seeds by Design, all AAS winners, and this is the Chef's Choice Black. Beautiful, dark red, black fruits, typically 5 to 6 inches long, a flattened globe. They'll weigh anywhere from 8 to 12 ounces, and you can just see all the tomatoes in there. It's going to grow, more coming in right in there. It's going to grow about at least 5 feet tall. It's an indeterminate variety and will continue to grow until frost or disease comes and takes it away. My guess, this plant is so healthy, it's getting my regular routine of antifungals, but there is no disease on here at all. No yellowing from the heat, no problems whatsoever. I think this tomato is going to keep growing well into late September, early October until the frost comes. Now, I planted this tomato early. I got it out into the ground when temperatures were sometimes in the low 40s, even 30s. Days weren't getting out of the 50s by simply using vases. They really function as a cloche. You can get them for $1 or $2 at your thrift stores. And when you bring your transplants out, just drop the cloche on top of them later in the afternoon. It'll provide warmth at night while the temperatures are in the 40s and 50s. And if the day temperatures aren't really getting past 60, you can leave the cloche on. It'll create a nice microenvironment, nice warmth, and your tomato will take off. That's how I've been able to get these tomatoes early. So what is catfacing? Well, it kind of goes along with getting your plants out early into the ground. No one's exactly sure what it is, but this is what can happen to a tomato. Here's another variety next to it. It's all distorted. That is not based on the plant. It's also not a mistake you're making. It's really from a physiological condition, and people think it's associated with cool nights, cool days, and when the temperatures just aren't right for your tomatoes. So remember, I got these out early. So these were the first tomatoes to form, and they have some of that catfacing going on because the temperatures were getting too low at night, not getting warm enough during the day. But as the temperatures corrected, got to the temperature zones that the tomatoes like, you start getting these beautiful flattened globe fruit. And just take a look again at everything that's growing in there. And remember, when you buy an All America Selections winner, the proof is in the plant, and that means you're going to see the plant perform and do extremely well in your garden. It's an AAS winner, so when you're looking through seed catalogs online, look for the AAS symbol next to that seed, and it means it's a winning plant variety. All right, let's cut these open so I can show you how beautiful they look, sliced up and ready for salads. The 2019 All America Selections winner, Chef's Choice Black. Don't worry if some of your early tomatoes get catfacing, just cut them up into chunks. I got the beautiful makings of a tomato cucumber salad right there. Chef's Choice Black is going to be about a 5 to 6 inch flattened globe fruit, nice and meaty, perfect for slicing, 8 to 10 ounces, perfect for a BLT and for your burger. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, All America Selections, Flowers and Vegetables. We don't run any ads there. We just provide great gardening information. Thanks for watching.